Alright guys, it's about that time. We're gonna be installing the Christmas lights all along the hood, the grill, the fenders, the bottom part, around the fender, thick, around the back, all around the cab, all the way around. This is what we're going to be using right here. This is the one I had last year, so I may not use it. I may, but this is the one we're going to be using today. 400 mini lights, 7 color. So the way I'm going to do it is I'm just going to use my power inverter, the same one I used last year. Here it is, 300 watts power inverter, and I'm gonna just plug it in, lighter, and I'm gonna run the lights through the bottom part, through the bottom part of the cab, and then pull it out through the fender and start running the lights. This is the process right now. This is how I'm running it right now. So I'll show you guys once I'm finished. Right here's where I'm having a little bit of passing it through the hood, so I can do the front grill. As you can see, I still have a lot more lights to go through, so I'm gonna pop this panel here and pass it through the bottom, and then I'll be able to pull it out through the grill. So here we're gonna use the little ties. Tie them there, tie them there, tie them there, and then just go all the way around, all the way the grill, under the bumper, and end up in the license plate, which I got a new license plate. Alright guys, so I passed the wires through the cover, plastic cover, to the bottom. So I ran their little Christmas tree. So that's how it looks. Now, let's go ahead and turn it on. Alright, so this is how it looks. Well, because I have the lights, the garage lights on, so I'm gonna turn them off right now. But pretty much this is how it's gonna look. And so I'm gonna replace the little light bulbs so they can sparkle, can twinkle. Right, just gotta find the correct spot for them. So I changed the light bulb for it to twinkle. Here we go. So I'm gonna turn off the lights now, just so we can see the colors. So I'm able to have the back part twinkle, and the sides just steady. almost looks like last year. I had just the grill and the hood, but this time I was able to go a little bit more. Alright guys, well, this was a short video installing the Christmas lights in the truck. So make sure you like, share, and subscribe. There's more videos coming. A little bit more upgrades on the truck. More projects. So stay tuned. See you guys. The old Zacatecas. The new Zacatecas.
Directly from Zacatecas.